Somebody said that I've been expelled from Legon. I liked Ira Star because of her demeanor and everything.
Loving you, girl, no get holiday. I do my more day every day. I need no one like I need ya. Oh no no.
Loving you, girl, no get holiday. I do one more day every day. You know who this is? This is Olive the Boy, aka the Kid Gringo from Ghana, and I'm here to face the fans. Let's go. I'm a go-getter, refreshing, reserved.
Loving you, girl, no get holiday. I do my more day every day.
I grew up in a very crowded place, but funny, I was always indoors, and I had to be traveling a lot because my mom was a teacher too. So
I need no one like I need ya. Oh no no.
a lot of things, pilots, doctor, a lot of things, a lot of things.
Loving you, girl, you get the pom pom share. You can know how I want the pom pom share.
At what point? So music has been with me since, but I took it seriously when I was in SHS, high school. Yeah, that's like when I was around 15 or 17 years. Yeah, I think.
I need no one like I need you. Oh no no.
They're supportive now, even though they were not really supportive at first. Then they are now. They are now. I mean, they see that this is the life I chose. No matter what you do, I mean, this is what I want to do.
Shower body down and come my lover.
Exaggerated music, like R&B, Afrobeat, but then they have to be exaggerated because I love melodies that are way too much for people. That's why I love weird stuff.
Make a dirty you well with my Lola.
Process. All right, so I was in the studio, like we do all the time with my producer. We wanted to get a song, right, and then we do all the time. We were trying to get inspirations from other songs too. So we were listening to we listened to a couple of songs until we chanced upon Ira Star's song, right? And then they knew that I had a thing for I liked Ira Star because of her demeanor and everything. They started teasing me. So for me to like counter the teasing, I told them that there's going to be a good scene. I don't know where that came from, but it just came out of my mouth. And then my producer was like, "Bro, we can use this. Let's just use this to do something." So we started something new. He started playing some keys, and then I started freestyling, and we got good scene. Oh, the first one, it didn't take long. Like I said, it took a week because that was the first time I had hit the studio when I came to Accra. So I went to the studio and then I stayed in the studio for a week, and then we did magic. And the second one, we took it from songs that we were recording from time to time. So it took us long. I just don't know how long, but then it took us long because there were songs that we recorded. Most proud of good sin, obviously. Good sin, obviously. Mostly from experiences, but like in the studio, a producer could tell you that I want us to write about this, and then you imagine instances where you've met stuff like that, and then you write about it. So yeah, imaginations and experiences, literally. There's this thing about artists that are ungrateful. I think it's not all artists, but that's what they feel in Ghana here. So that's what I don't like, I think. That would be before I had good sin, because we reached out, we wanted help, and nobody believed that there was that talent that could sell enough. Plus, people also thought that the artist is going to be ungrateful to them later. But I mean, we do contracts, right? So mostly I don't get why they feel like that, but that's what is really really challenging for me. And I think other underground artists, people that were like me before, can relate.
You see the irony. Shit is so funny. Lady on my right.
What truth? Oh, the truth I know is you could be hailed and let down really easily. I mean, people jump onto new stuff when they get the new stuff. So, but you know, you just have to put in the hard work too, because if there's a new product and it's nicer than your own, it's not therefore they have to move on.
She feeling all nice, so she gon' die. She fainting when you come online.
Mine album, all of them, man. They're all super super dope.
She misses my eyes, cause when I have knees, I look straight in her eyes.
Yeah, I'm from a gospel home. I think I like Hamilton. She's really dope. Hamilton.
Shower body down and come my lover.
One thing I will not do for clouds. I won't do anything for clouds. I wouldn't really want to do anything for clouds.
Make a dirty you well with my Lola.
Okay, so what's humor? I think somebody said that I've been expelled from Legon or something. That's what I heard. I don't know where they got that news from, but that's what they said. I've been expelled from school because I went to rape someone. I didn't really trend even because I mean. And like I said, I do refreshing music. I just want to make sure that I do music that will still stick with people, make a name because everybody's gonna die, right? Yeah, so literally just make sure that I make the greatest name that people are gonna remember me by.
You again. That's cost 90, baby.
Open a show. And so I think I would love to do it for Stonebwoy, Ghana. I'd love to do it for King Promise too. Black Shave. All of them. I mean, all of them. I don't want to like choose because it would be nice. I mean, they're brothers too. So.
And I say, open my bed, listen, baby, come on, goosin.
I think I'm really starting to love Christian now. Yeah, I love the way he sings. I mean, Christian.
Good sin, no be bad sin, good sin, alhamdulillah.
Well, this is hard. I'll marry all of them. Hey, no, wait. I'll marry Ira Star. I mean, she can't share. So Ira Star, marriage, and smash the rest.
Baby, listen, good sin, baby, come on, good sin, come on, good sin, come on, good sin, alhamdulillah.
Me. Overrated. Oh, there's this movie. Why is it not coming? There's this movie. Black Adam. Me. Ira Star. My love. Kiddy. Oh, fair. Night. Tea. Video games. Instagram. Chocolate. Math. Money. Hello, beautiful people. My name is Olive the Boy, aka the Kid Gringo from Ghana, and I just faced the fans on MX24.
Keep quiet. A moment of silence for my baby.
Don't talk, let me talk.
get holiday. I do my more day